Here we come to the elevator at the Harrington Annex at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. This used to be Dover from, I can't remember what year in the 1970s, but this got modernized by ThyssenKrupp in 2015 or 2016. See, that used to be the indicator right there. I remember recording this thing. Oh, B's locked? I don't remember B being locked. I'll have to check my older video. Yeah, this definitely used to be Dover. It pretty much had the same exact fixture as I watched in NEA's video, NEA Elevators video. So it had the same exact Dover traditional fixtures like the one at Harrington Tower, which they are still original along with the freight elevator. I think I might go down. Nope, we're going up. No, you can't hear the motor. But anyways, I had the same exact logo. I decided to film this elevator even though I'm not really interested in filming modernized elevators, but since I recently got my very own ThyssenKrupp elevator label that looks exactly like that, I figured why not. And don't count if this elevator is going to get modernized just in case, which is another reason why I got another video of this. That's where the original indicator used to be. Finally got the chime. There's an elevator exactly like this in the H something building that James recorded, also known as BCS Elevators and More. That unfortunately got modernized. So I'm not gonna do that one, I'm sorry. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.